Hi everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Cardano once again. Thank you for your support. We did a live stream last night in the Telegram, in the Patreon, sorry, and that was really cool. And in the Discord, I'm going to do more of that. Thank you for the support in there. That was amazing. Okay, so all the links to everything's on CoinsKid.com. I think we're going to start doing Twitch streams for the Patreon so more people can join it. So yeah, keep a lookout. We're building a fantastic team of people in the Discord as well for the Patreons. Lots of technical analysis, lots of trades going in there on a daily basis. You know, amazing. So also equally follow me on Twitter. I'm posting stuff on there as well all the time. I'm spamming people basically. So right now, Cardano, this is our projection. We've had this projection for a very long time. You know, just to remind you, Elliott Wave Theory, we do anticipate that potentially we're looking at the 1618 at $18 plus for Cardano. It's on its way. I think we're moving up right now, and our next impulsive wave target is, I think it is off the 1272, isn't it? Just to remind myself. I'm looking at that many charts lately. Yeah, look, the impulsive wave is pretty much a 1272, which we've had laid down for many moons there, you know, and then that particular price projection from here right now, providing we can hold support, we are looking at a further 550% for Cardano to get to that particular price projection that we laid down way back in 29th of June 2020. And you can see that when it gets going, you know, 550% is nothing for Cardano when it starts to take off. So do watch this space, okay, providing we get the continuation of the bull. You know, here people thought we're in a bear market and we broke this high and we're looking for continuation. There's no bear market here, is there? You know, and down here people were capitulating and selling, and all the time I was telling you, look, these are projections, this is what we see ourselves getting to, providing we hold support, and that's exactly what we did the whole way. You know, just looking here, you're adhering to support, you're holding the EMAs like a boss. Like I said to you, you're above the 20 on any time frame, you're in an uptrend. You know, I think, did you even wick down to the 55 here? No, we've not even had a wick of the 55, are we? But we're looking a lot healthier than we did, to be honest with you, because we were very overextended. And like I said to you, when you get overextended, just there was really overextended. I remember doing the videos here. You start to go sideways, okay, allowing the EMAs to creep back up, get the back test and kiss of support before continuation. You can see exactly what it did. Went sideways, got a little kiss, see you later, made a local high. Rolled over with Bitcoin, obviously, as everything does. You know, nothing stands aside from Bitcoin's corrections. Took Cardano down with it, but that's how strong it was. It found that base level of support down there, roughly $1, didn't it? And just sat there, and then it's built back up, and it's starting to form this new fifth wave right now. You know, which we do anticipate this wave 5, because we've gone through wave 1, 2, 3, monstrous wave 3, and right now we're going through the wave 5 up to $18, which would be amazing. So yeah, it's looking good. But like I said to you, you ran into a bit of a brick wall at the moment. You're failing to break that high. So, you know, worst case scenarios, you have a little wick down to that level of support that I've given you. But if you don't, you're just going to sort of consolidate and just go sideways, you know, pretty much like what you did here. It gets a bit flat and a little bit boring, to be honest with you. And all it's doing is consolidating, allowing the EMAs to creep back up before the next leg up. And that's how it works, you know. That's Cardano. That's what it does. It slows down. Look, went up, formed some kind of bull pennant on the weekly, because it's a weekly time frame, slows down, consolidates, bull pennant, pop, continuation, you know. So let's say, for example, you know, you've broken out this wave here. This is wave 3, isn't it? And we've come up with consolidated, and say we're around about here now. Let's drop a bar chart on here. Let's drop the bar pattern from this level of consolidation to this high, and let's just have a little thought experiment. It's what I like to do in the channel, to this high just there. You know, enter a level of consolidation just there, and you can see pretty much if you go sideways and you start to form that beautiful big impulsive wave up. You know, you're up there, aren't you? And who knows, it might get overextended and absolutely shoot off into space. No one knows. But so far so good, you know, and that's Cardano. It's moving onwards and upwards. You're holding support. You're looking for continuation. So I think on the daily time frame here, we are anticipating this cup and handle pattern, aren't we? We've got that level of resistance. You know, worst case scenario, we fall out of this horizontal here. You know, these are primarily a continuation pattern. You've come up into it. You are under a level of resistance at the moment. But if you do start to fall down, look, you put bid on 10 on the 20 EMA on a daily. If you lose that, you can see that you come down to this trend line just there at this cup and handle, which you're in. You're in a technical target to $3.55. Okay, and like I said to you, you're not going to get there overnight. You're going to hit resistance, roll back to support, build up momentum, get a little kiss off the EMAs, get these tightened up a bit. Look, get them tightened up, make them a little bit more healthier, pop. And that's what's going to happen here. So it's all about holding the EMAs for support, and slowly but surely it moves you up by holding the support, okay? So that's Cardano. That's all I can say, really. Other than that, if you start to roll out this horizontal, we take a look at it on the 4-hourly time frame here. if you start to roll out of this horizontal, you've got your key levels of support, which I've given you. Okay, again, if you start to lose this key level of support just there, you'll see a little correction. You know, you are bullish. You're really bullish, because you're bouncing off the 4 hourly 55. Look, you're bouncing off it every time you come to it. You're bouncing off it, so you are holding support at the moment. If you continue to do that, this is what it's going to create you up. You're going to test a really key level of resistance, potentially this horizontal trend line again, and with that, you just get the pop out. You know, we might not have that correction here, but if it does roll, you've got your key levels of support that you need to see held. If you see that lost, you will be looking at a retest of this trend line, which is this swing high, okay? Because you're losing this swing low. Like I said to you, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. You already found support on this swing high. Right now, you're coming up. You're failing to break this high at the moment. So you enter the level of consolidation before either falling out of support or breaking the level of resistance for continuation. But you are in a technical target to this, regardless. Whether you fall back to that, you're still in a technical target to this. So you're bullish, basically. That's what I'm trying to say to you. You are bullish. You're looking for continuation, and if you have, you know, a whopping correction down to key level support, as long as you hold that support, you're still looking absolutely golden here for Cardano moving forward in this bull run, which I do anticipate, you know, we are in and will continue to be in until we start to lose key levels of support, major levels of support, which we've not done so far. So long may it continue. That's Cardano. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong. Break out this level of resistance just there, and you will be looking at a mega little upside, potentially up to $3.55. You start to lose this trend line just there, and you will be looking at a retest of 251. You know, you start to lose that. You're rolling over. You're creating a double M top pattern. You're falling out of a horizontal, and potentially just put some cheeky bids in down here at $2.22. Really is that simple. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another Cardano update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and thank you for your support across the board here. Bye bye.